Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? My biggest question that I've gotten, that all of you have asked, or many of you have asked, is, Tracie, can you teach me Hawaiian? Tracie, I would like to learn Hawaiian. Tracie, can you translate this song into Hawaiian for me and sing it for me? Well, I heard what you asked, and here I am to teach you Hawaiian. Before we start today, I need to make a short disclaimer to let you know that Hawaiian is not my first language. I'm not a Mānaleo or a native speaker of Hawaiian. Hawaiian is my second language and I learned it in college. I went to the University of Hawaii at Mānoa, and that's where I learned to speak Hawaiian. If you have any comments or questions or concerns, leave it right here down below on the video, okay? But be nice to me. So today, here I am in Haʻawina with my cameraman and friend, Roke. Roke, say hi. Okay, anyways, here we go. Makau, you ready? Yes. Our first lesson, I figure the best place to start is with the alphabet, or the P-A-Pa. E ho'opili mai? P-A-Pa. Maikai. Good. We're going to learn the Woela, the 5 vowels. So the first one that we're going to learn is A. E ho'opili mai? A. Open up your Waha. Open up your mouth. Maikai. Good. A. Next one is E. E ho'opili mai? E. Maikai. Good. Next one is E. E ho'opili mai? E. Next is O. E ho'opili mai? O. And the last one for today is U. E ho'opili mai? U. So we learned the 5 Woela, ʻElima, ʻEkahi, ʻElua, ʻEkolu, ʻEhā, ʻElima. We learned A, E, I, O, and U. I'm giving you some homework, some Haʻawina, and your homework is going to be to practice the P-A-Pa, the Woela, on your own time. You can rewatch this video again, but I want you to practice. Say it quickly, A, E, I, O, U, and then say it slowly. A, E, I, O, U. Maikai. Good. I'll see you again in a couple weeks. Next week, I'll have a video for my Patreon patrons where I'll go over this lesson in a little bit more detail. Until we meet again, ahui ho. See you next time. Aloha.